name is Smallbean. I am making this video today for one of my community members. Basically, it's just to show how to get this Spotify widget on either your streams or if you're going to be doing like a gameplay and you want to show what songs you're listening to. Here's what it looks like at the top left-hand corner. Sorry, I'm a little sick while I'm doing this. So it just pops up and it looks really neat. I feel like it's really immersive. So anyways, if this is something that you would like, please feel free to continue watching this video. If you have not met me yet, my name is Smallbean VT. I'm a VTuber mushroom fairy. I stream on Twitch most of the time, so if you would like to follow me there, feel free. I will link it down below in the description. But other than that, let's get started with this video. Okay, so you are gonna pull up whatever browser source that you use. You are gonna type in 6K Labs, and it should be the very first thing that pops up for you. So you'll click on it, and it's gonna bring you up to this page, and you'll sign in either with Twitch, which is what I'm using, or you can sign in with Google. I just signed in with Twitch. I already have it authenticated and everything, so it's just gonna bring me straight to my profile page. So basically what you want to do is you want to go to accounts and apps, and you are gonna link your Spotify. I don't know how to do music. I can learn, and if you guys want a tutorial for that, just put it in the comments and I can help you with that too. But basically it's gonna say connect Spotify. Mine obviously is already connected, so basically if you want, you can easily follow this like walkthrough that it gives you, and it's really easy to follow. So basically you want to visit the Spotify developer dashboard. It's gonna pop up and look like this. I already tried making this, but like the audio was weird, so hopefully this is better. I'm just gonna speak louder. Hopefully, yeah, okay, good. I'm gonna turn it up a little bit more. So basically you'll click onto this. You know what, we'll just make a new one. So let's create app. We'll call this test 2. And you can add a description. I'm just gonna call it test for YouTube video. You can call it whatever you want. And it's gonna ask for a redirect URL, okay? So this is gonna be super easy to find. You just go back to the guide that it gives you. You're gonna scroll down just a little bit, and it's gonna be right here for you. So you'll go ahead and copy and paste that. Copy, and you'll paste. Actually, I want to make sure that's the right one. Paste. Okay. And then after that, you'll click I understand, and you'll save. All right. Boom. Pops up this. You'll go to your settings, and it's gonna pop up this basic information. I just realized, okay, there we go. It wasn't following. It'll pop up a basic information tab, and you want the client ID number, and you're also gonna want your secret client ID. So you'll need these two, okay? So once you have these two, you're gonna go back to this page, and you're gonna put those two links. They're gonna be right here. They'll ask for those two links. So the first one will be the client ID will be up here, and then the secret client will be down here. And then you'll click connect, and it should automatically connect it. Okay? So then you'll go back to widgets, click amuse, and we'll do test. I'm gonna copy the link. I think I already have it on here. I should at least. Let's see. Browser source. If you feel lonely, I could only with you. Let's see. Okay, so I don't. So we'll just make a new one. That's fine. So we'll call it test. Okay. And then you want to click on the browser source URL on OBS. Or if you're using Streamlabs, it's the same thing. Paste, okay. So it'll pop up this. and it should already be working. All right, so that's the song that I'm listening to right now. I don't have the audio because I don't want to be copyrighted. So it's gonna show you all these options down here. All right, so I mostly use this one. This one's really, really cute. You also could use Boxy, which is kind of more of a simplistic look. There's Gallery, Mac OS, Shell, which is really cool. It's kind of giving like a coded kind of vibe. So if you have that for your stream or YouTube, this would be really neat. And there's also Discord. So you don't have to pay for this, but basically you just have to join their Discord server, and then you'll link it, and then it'll be there for you. I don't have that because I'm not going to use it. I prefer to use the compact, but we are going to use the gallery for now because it's probably the easiest to see. There's also these cover appearances. So there's Square, which just gives like the normal album cover to the song. I love Canvas because if there's an animation to whatever song you're listening to for the cover, it'll pop up that animation in real time on this too. There's also Vinyl, which is very vintage. If you have any vintage lovers out here, this is perfect for you. Or you can click none and just have this big ass fucking thing on your screen. Here's what it looks like with the compact, Boxy, OS, Shell. Yeah, but I prefer to have the canvas, so we'll just keep that one on. You also can change the glow, so you can click that on or off if you want it. I prefer the glow. I think it looks sweet. And then my favorite thing about this is the Magic Colors tab. Basically what this does is it takes colors from that song's cover album and it makes it cohesive, color matching, which I like that. But if you don't want that, you can choose whatever color you want. I have this light pink one. It looks really cool with the compact. That's where I love it. Boom. Really, really cute. You also can hide this on pause, which is really nice. So you want to make sure that you put it to no delay, so it'll be on 10 seconds. Just click no delay. And then if you pause it in real time, it's gonna go down by itself, which is really, really neat. You don't have to like manually click it, which is so annoying for me. Boom, it'll pop back up. All right, so after that, I'm gonna keep that off. You also can put song changes. So it's 5 seconds, it'll go down. And then if you do a song change, it'll pop back up to show that song change. Just like that. I'm gonna keep that off though, so that you guys can see. All right, so the very, very, very last thing, I don't know if you can see it, but there's 2 more tabs. I'm probably in the way. Hold on. I'm gonna move over just a bit. There you go. You can kind of see it behind my wings. There's this thing called cover blur. So if you can see, kind of, it gives the cover album, but it blurs it behind the name of the title of the song. And then you can also hide visualizer. It's all super customizable. You guys can go crazy with it. This is just the easiest one that I found that I really enjoy. But again, if you guys have better ones out there that you would love to, I don't know, share with me, I would love to put that into my streams. But anyways, like I said, that's the end of the video. If you enjoyed it and you would love to hang out with this wonderful, beautiful bean, please feel free to follow me on Twitch. I'm also gonna be making more YouTube videos on YouTube, obviously. I'm working on a Minecraft survival let's play on Fairy Core, which is actually a mod pack by, I think her name's Lovestar, which I'll put a link down to the mod pack and Lovestar's channel because she's amazing. You guys should go follow her. But other than that, I love you guys so much and I hope that this was helpful. Please, 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 please like and subscribe. I love you guys so much. Bye.